Hi everybody, another Astra video here. As you can see, I've removed my glove box, which if you don't know is 4 screws and again on the other side, for a job that probably hasn't been done since the car was built, and that is the pollen filter, or cabin filter as they call it. And it basically just looks like that. So to do it, you need to, I don't know if you can see, but remove these screws, or bolts, whichever you call them, and basically that cover comes off and the old filter comes out. You put a new one in, and that's about it really. I'm having my aircon fixed, so I thought, well, might as well get this done, do this at the same time. So yeah, let's see if I can get that things off without dropping the camera. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? What we got? No, that's too big. Huh. No, they're too big. So 6 is too big, and you watch, 5 would be too small. Of course. And the one I'm missing is 5.5. Damn. Some time later. Right, so bit of searching around, managed to find the right bit. So see if we can get this so we can see what we're doing. Literally undo this. Don't know whether you have to undo the other one, but we'll find out, won't we? Right, so oh, do we? Yes, it does look like we have to undo this one as well. A little bit more awkward. Yeah, that's a bit too awkward, right? So we're going to have to use the socket. Not socket, the ratchet even. Okay, got the ratchet. So, here we go. And of course the ratchet's the wrong way. Interesting to see what this is like, because I recently watched a video on another YouTuber, name of Hubnut, where he did one on his car, and it was absolutely disgusting. And it was actually affecting the airflow for the fan inside. So I haven't noticed any of that, but let's see the moment of truth. Oh, come on, out you go. You yep, you come out. Dum 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 dum. How'd you get it out? Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, that is disgusting. Look at that. Ugh. All the stuff in there. Yeah, well, that's going to be thrown. Now we can try and put the nice new one in, just for comparison. Old, new. Yeah, maybe this is a job they should tell you need to do. Because, yeah, I've had this car 3 years nearly, and I never did it, and I never realised it needed doing because it's not part of the common service, is it? Right, so stick that in there, like so. And now we have to put the thing back on. And hopefully that'll be a bit nicer now. I just can't believe how bad that was. Oh, get in there. Put it the other way around. Maybe it's the other way around. No, it's the right way around. Oh, nothing ever goes right, does it? So, assume that goes. Little. Oh, there's a thing at the bottom. Okay, alright. There we go. Put that back in. Screw it back in, and it's a simple job, but obviously it needed doing. I still can't believe how bad that was. Yeah, people, you get older cars and they got aircon, or maybe if they don't, find out if you need to check that filter, because yeah, that's kind of creeped me out a bit, how bad that was. So yeah, and I'll say, I'll just carry on doing this, and I will say good night, good night, good evening, good day, whichever, whenever you watch it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.